This video that you're watching right now is a 360-degree video, so you can go ahead and drag your mouse and see the video from different angles with different views. Today I decided to get out finally and have a short ride. At the same time, I have a new camera, GoPro Max, so I'm gonna test it out and see how it works for motovlogging. I believe it makes a very good camera for motovlogging, but let's see, we're gonna find out at the end of this video. I have a quick unboxing video as well about my setup. Not the setup, it's sort of unboxing the GoPro Max and accessories that I got with it. You can go watch that one as well. But I'm hoping that I can provide better content than before with my new camera. I've been waiting for this camera for about 5-6 days now to arrive, right? I ordered it from GoPro.com, and it took me about 5 or 6 days to receive it. 5-6 days is almost nothing, but it's when you're waiting for something, then it sounds like a very long time. I received it finally, and I received it today. I unboxed it, made a video, and then I decided to make another video and show you guys some test footage. What I'm testing today is the stabilization, so I'm gonna see if the video gonna turn out, because look, the roads are not in a very perfect condition. So but the GoPro Max should be able to stabilize the picture, and the sound that you are hearing is not from the GoPro Max. It's coming from my GoPro Hero 8 Black and my lavalier microphone. In case if you are interested to know what makes this quality sound. So this is the sound that you should expect from lavalier Go. And look, I'm not talking loud, I'm just almost whispering, almost. Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited to get home. So, and see the footages myself, edit them, and post them that you guys can watch it as well. So my today plan is that there is a new route that I'm taking. I guess it takes me to the lake. So I'm gonna go around the lake, and then after that one, that's gonna be enough for filming. So I'm gonna let you guys go at that point, and then I'm gonna go have a coffee, and then I'm gonna go home. Where am I going? Oh, I went wrong way. Oh, I missed my exit. Hopefully not, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna make a U-turn here. As I said, my first time taking this route, so there we go. Yeah, this is where I wanted to go. But look, at the same time I have my GPS on the bike, but I don't pay attention to it. I think this is the best, right? Like, I mean, using the GPS, you know, it's sometimes good, sometimes that you are going out to just have a fun. I don't think that it's fun to use your GPS. If you have it on and you don't pay much attention to it, should be all right. Let's see, I think I'm going right here. Yeah, let me know what you think about the camera and the footage. Do you like it? There are some factories around here. Sorry guys, but it's not about showing you the view, it's about saying that what this camera is capable of, right? Where's the guy going? My God, eh? I think I've been here only once before. But not this area though. I was on the west side, I believe. Yeah, okay. They're building new houses around this area. Okay. So I'm gonna head back. I don't wanna make this video very long. I know that so many people are interested to see long videos when it comes to footages and testing, because look, these cameras are not cheap, right? And when you are spending like $500-600, you want to do your research before you purchase. So I'm heading back now. And as I said, I don't want to make this video very long because editing these videos also not very easy for me, since gonna be my first time editing it, and I'm using the Premiere Pro to edit my videos. So I'm going to have my coffee. am I going? Don't take me to the highway. Oh no, okay. Okay guys, I thank you for watching, and do me a favor, let me know what you think about my new camera and the footages. If you think that I should continue using it. It might be also all about editing as well, right? So if you see something that you don't like, might be because of poor editing, because it's gonna be my first time editing these footages. And yeah, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna let you go now. Thanks.